What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. Once again, I'm in my living room and shit. Oh, can't cuss, but well, I'm not getting paid yet. So yeah, we in my living room again. I do got new mods for the chargers. Y'all can tell by the thumbnail and all that. We do got carbon fiber overlays, and let me go ahead and get it all set up and all that. But yeah, so right here we got the carbon fiber overlays. Okay, we got this, we got that. This is all this right here. It's gonna be for the steering wheel. And then I thought I'd do something a little different. Get like a red carbon for the shifter. I remember seeing the video of this dude, he had everything else carbon, black carbon, and he had the shifter red carbon. And I thought it just popped to me. What the heck is this? Package. But it just popped to me. So I was like, you know what? Let me try something different. Then I also got for the middle console, where the shifter is at, I got that. And where the air controls are at in the volume knob and everything. I didn't get it for the dash yet. I don't know, I just didn't get it for the dash yet. I think it was out of stock when I was looking at, trying to get. But I'm gonna eventually get that later. That'll probably be for another video. But for now, I'm gonna do this. And steering wheel, shifter, and the whole middle console and everything like that. Give it a little sleeker look. Thought I'd do something else to it. Start doing the inside a little bit. Engine mod, that type of stuff. If I want to do it, anything to like filters and stuff, air filters, all that type of stuff. I'm gonna do when it gets warmer outside. Cause right now, I don't know if y'all can see it, but no, y'all can't even tell. But you can see that it's cloudy out today. It's raining and all that. It's supposed to snow again soon. So yeah, I'm not gonna get around to that stuff yet because I'm gonna have no traction for anything. So let me go ahead, clean off the parts of the steering wheel and the middle console and stuff. I'm gonna heat up the adhesives and then go out and put it on there. All right, y'all. We got the first piece we're gonna put on there. I cleaned it and I put a little bit of heat on it. So let's go ahead. Let's start the top, y'all. Not the best angle. Shoot, y'all gotta work with it. Work with me. I'm already messing up. There we go. Got pressure on there. Big pressure. Big pressure. All right, look at that. Don't mind my mess car. That was for her. Just got that clean and stuff. But yeah, it's looking good on it. Let me see if I get some light on it. Get my phone out real quick. Go. Come on, man. Trying to get y'all a good angle because it's not the brightest outside. Yeah, it looks good on there. It looks good. All right, so I guess the next piece we're gonna do is this part now. I'll be right back. Okay, round two. Gotta get this part in. Careful. Now this part, I don't know how good it's gonna fit though. Let's see. Better not hit me, woman. Hey, we watching you. Don't hit my car. Don't hit my car, lady. I'm watching you. Get back to this though. Thank you, you did not hit my car. But yeah, I mean, seems like it's pretty good. I'll probably put more 3M to. Oh no, it's my alarm for my food. So I'm gonna have to get back to this later, eat my food, and then we're gonna get to the steering wheel and the shifter after. All right, y'all, finished eating. Went ahead and put the side pieces to the shifter on there. This is pretty good. And now we're gonna finish up with the top piece. So go ahead and do that. I'll put y'all down again, angle y'all can kind of see. So here we go. Alrighty then. Go ahead, push that down. know, man. What y'all think? I thought it'd be good to have a little black carbon, then a little red carbon to pop with that. And we're gonna go ahead and do the steering wheel next. So I'll get to y'all when I do that. All right, guys. So I started doing the steering wheel. Oh man, the lighting in here is horrible. I don't think that's any better. As y'all can see, looks good. And then I got this part ring around the actual steering, the horn. It's good. But these parts, I guess the one I got wasn't good. I didn't even notice it. It doesn't even have the bottom part to this. So I got the, you know, a lot of the chargers, I guess the older ones come, you know, comes around and then it stops at these points and it's just black and it's like barely nothing there. These barely line up. I don't know if y'all can see that. They barely line up, and there's no part for that. So now what I'm gonna do is I already saw some that were the right ones that actually cover all of this. And I'm gonna order those and I might send these back. I don't know. But I'm gonna order the right ones. And I guess I'll finish the video off when I get those. I do got Prime, so I can get them tomorrow. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. Back at it, man. So here it is. This is what the carbon fiber overlays look like. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this bugged me a little bit, but what can I do about it, bro? Because I cannot find the carbon fiber overlays for this trim because mine goes all the way around. I don't know if it's because it's the newer chargers, you know, 21, 22, 23. I don't know, bro. This stuff is good right here, but I don't know. I guess let me know if y'all have found the carbon fiber overlay trims for this. The car's a little dirty, y'all. Don't mind it. It's a little dusty. I gotta wipe it down. It's the weekend, so I'm gonna get to that. Look, man, it's dusty. Don't mind me, yo. But yeah, I got the red trim right here. Carbon fiber, all that stuff. And I still gotta get the one for this. We're gonna get that eventually. But yeah, I don't know, man. The fitment, since this is not the right trim, the fitment isn't too bad. But I would like to find, if there is one, carbon fiber overlay for this trim. That's what it is. A little scrub. But yeah, I guess I'll leave this all in the description below in case y'all want to copy. But I don't know, I guess